Welcome to our AI robotics demo, running entirely locally on a MacBook Air. Here's how it works. First, you give a voice command into the microphone, like, "Pick up the blue cube." A speech-to-text model transcribes this instantly. Next, a large language model breaks that command down into a logical, step-by-step action plan. Then, a vision model acts as the robot's eyes, locating the exact object in the real world. Finally, the robotic arm executes the plan, using an execution feedback loop to ensure accuracy. Let's see it in action.